Muggsy, 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 the fuck do you want, Cuphead? I'm bored.
What does that have to do with me?
I want to drive a car, dumbass.
Mugman, you're missing out! Don't you think I want that? I need permission!
Hey, it's me, Chalice! Come on, fellas, huddle up. Now, we can stay here at the boring old cottage, or we can go out into the real world and live. What do you say? Swell, there's a dance contest downtown. I entered us in it earlier.
While you were running from the mob?
That's right, but it's too far to walk. We're gonna need a ride.
Yeah, we're not allowed to drive it.
Ah, nobody said anything about you two driving. Looky there!
Is this the right place? Oh man, of course it is. I know I'm looking at that time. So why pick up the place then? I got time to waste.
Hey, if you like this song, then why not subscribe?